As you can see right here, this person has already made over 200,000 naira. This person right here has made 150,000 naira. This person right here has made over $308, which is approximately 300,000 naira and above. Now you can see that people is making money from this new website called Anchor. I know you might have heard of it, but I've gone through YouTube and I've seen that what people are showing you guys are things like the basic things. They don't show you the inner thing, how you can make the real money here on Alco. But if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how you can make real money in Anchor. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is, as you can see, Samuel. You can call me Samuel the Hustler. What I do is I hustle. I go search things online that can make you earn money. Okay, now the main thing on board right here is called Anchor. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to click over to the first link you're gonna see in this video description. Once you click on the link, it's gonna take you to a brand new website. Like, let me log out from this account. It's gonna take you to a brand new website, something like this, where it's gonna say you should sign up. Okay, where it's gonna say you should sign up. That's where the link will take you to. But a lot of you will get stuck in something called, let's say I've put in my first name, last name, username, email address, and phone number, and I click on continue. Here it says country. I can just put in Nigeria because I'm from Nigeria as at the time of me recording this video. Then you put in your password, you repeat the password for confirmation. This is where people get stuck. Here where you say coupon code, people don't tell you this. People don't tell you this, and I really understand why they don't tell you this. I won't lie to you, people are using this thing to scam a lot of people right now in Nigeria. So what I want you to do is I want you to message this number that you see on your screen right now, this WhatsApp number. I want you to message this number right now. This is a sure vendor that I have used, that some of my friends, my colleagues that are doing Anchor, this is the same number that they use. Like, this is a sure vendor that give them the code. Okay, this is the sure vendor you pay the money to, that will give you a coupon code for you to activate your account. Be it then here where it says select package, you're gonna select either silver or pro. It depends on the one you can afford. The silver package is just 6,000 naira and the pro package is 8,500 naira. But me, I purchased the pro package because the pro package has more advantage compared to the silver package. Okay, the pro package will help you to complete offers even if you don't have time to complete it. There, you have a bot that will complete it for you, but the silver package, you don't have that. You are the one that will complete it by yourself. Okay, that's one of the advantage that a pro package have. And a pro package pays you 1.5 $1.50 per day, which is a huge money. Why the silver package don't pay up to that amount of money? Okay, so in my best opinion, I would advise someone who want to start. Well, I'm not forcing you, but I am recommending you start with the 8,500 naira home. So once you chat that number that you saw on the screen, I show you. Even if you don't see it, I'm gonna link in the number in the pinned comment, so you can chat the number on WhatsApp. That number will get, that is a vendor, a very sure vendor from Anchor. Okay, verified vendor from Anchor that will give you the coupon code. He's the person you're gonna send the money to that will give you the code. So let's say you're done, you've already paid the money to. Then let me quickly log in. Let me quickly sign into my account. You can see I have I have four accounts that I'm operating, but I'm gonna go with this first one because this is where I have the least amount of money that I'm making currently on Anchor. I don't want to show my other accounts because those accounts are, because of security purposes. Okay, I don't want to show those accounts. So this account is really little, just 17,900, and I started this account just today, right now, today, and I already made 17,900. An account I started with just 8,500. You see why I say you should go with the pro package? It will save you, it will make you lots of money. Even your favorite celebrities, your favorite TikTokers, they are also advertising this website. I'm gonna show you one.
Guess what? Finally, users of TikTok can get to monetize their TikTok accounts through Anchor. With Anchor, the following things can be achieved. Firstly, you will learn how to monetize all social media accounts and get.
Alright, now you can see for yourself that I am not joking, I am not kidding, okay? You can see your favorite TikTokers, they are doing the same thing to show that there are lots of money to be made in this platform, okay? So if you want to take things serious, make sure you just message that number, okay? So I'm gonna teach you guys things that you see inside Anchor. Now, this is my Anchor dashboard. The first thing you want to go is you want to head over to this marketplace. Now, the good thing about this website is the fact that apart from the fact that you earn coin, you earn money, I mean, you can also add your own product. You can also add your own product the same way you add products on Amazon, the same way you add products on your Facebook marketplace. And this place you add products without them charging you for adding products. In fact, they even pay you for using their platform to sell your stuff, okay? Because they are trying to gain recognition. They are just new to the game. They are very, very new. They just got launched, okay? This is what you need to understand, and you need to take advantage right now. If you are serious about this, I'll advise you write down number on WhatsApp. That is a correct and a legit vendor. You can sell shoes, bags, shirts, or if you don't want to sell any of this, you can click on others. Okay, then you will describe what you want to say here. Then you click on enter, you type what you want to say. But I don't want to say anything because this is a tutorial. I'm just giving you guys tips how you can make money from this website. And apart from the fact that you can sell something in this website, and another good thing about this website is the fact that you can also monetize your TikTok videos. You see this place where it says TikTok Pay, then you click on TikTok Pay. You're gonna see once you enter your name, you enter your link to your TikTok, and you enter your full name, and you click on submit. Automatically, it's gonna connect your TikTok account to this Anchor. Okay, so whenever someone just watch your video, Anchor is gonna pay you per 1,000 views you get, and per 1,000 views they will pay you 1,500 naira, which is not bad concerning the current situation of this country, Nigeria. Okay, so this is how complete. Once you go to your dashboard, you click on your dashboard, you scroll down here where it says Anchor Game, you click on Anchor Games. Once you click on Anchor Games, this is when you earn your points. You can see what it says. Welcome back, Anchor earner. While you were away, your robot has been earning for you and has earned you over $1.5 today, which is 1,500 naira. Okay, you can see once I click on claim reward, it's gonna take
You
me
also
to.
get to
You
acquire
can
the
see
present
it
day
took me
skills
to
and
this
courses
same
and use them
TikTok
to improve
video
yourself.
that is all about purpose building, to show you that this thing is working really, really well. And if you like the way I just tell you guys the real truth about Anchor, please don't forget to like. Whenever I drop updates about Anchor, you'll be the first to get notified, the first to get watched, and the first to implement whatever I learn. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.